Hello, this is Tim with Narhi Auctions. Here we have 72 Triumph Bonneville. It seems to be in pretty nice shape. They had this started the other day. We're not going to start it here for the video, but they said it starts and runs. It's an older bike. I don't know if it's going to start easy or not. It does have the handbook with it. It's 40 cubic inch according to the handbook. I think that's a 650 is what it's known as, a 650 Bonneville. It's in pretty good shape. There's the dash on it for there. Odometer reads. Trying to get it in the 9,414 miles.